Hello everyone, welcome back again to Hack with Victor. Now, in today's video, we are going to see that how you can bypass Windows 11 Defender, which is fully activated with the help of Havoc C2. In today's video, I'm not going to show you any PowerShell scripts, any any adaptive C2s like that. We are going to completely learn everything from scratch. And at this time, as I promised that I'm going to provide my script, so you can just go and find my script on the GitHub. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll start this video and I'm going to show you everything step by step. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to just go on your Chrome browser or Firefox, whatever you're using, and you have to just search. Let me just click on not now. Yeah, you have to just go on the Lucius 8, and once you'll come on my GitHub profile, so you have to just go on the repositories. Just now I uploaded this PyCrypt repository on my GitHub. Okay, so you can just go over here, and if you have a time you can just go and give a read that what it is, how it works, what are the features, okay, and everything I try to explain in a very detail so you can understand. You will not just going to run the file, you will understand what exactly happening, how it's creating a persistent mechanisms, how it's what are the methods it's using for the encryption. Everything you will understand, okay. Why we are using the Python and what is the use of the C#, everything you will understand very deeply, and what are the requirements you need. You can just go and install everything step by step. So I'm not going to do these things because I have already done this. So if you have a time, you can just go and give a read, and if you like this tool, don't forget to give a star, guys. It will really help me to motivate, it will really going to motivate me to bring something more like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do now, simply we'll just come to our Kali machine, and wherever you will copy or git clone the file, you just have to go over there. And right now what you have to do, you have to just come over here and you have to change the IP. You can leave the default port like this, C2 file. Now what it is, this will be the shellcode file which you will generate by with your own Havoc. Okay, you don't have to copy my one, you have to create your own, and output.exe you can give whatever you want. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just come over the Havoc wherever you install the Havoc in your Kali machine. Okay, and if you don't know how to install the Havoc C2, so you can just go and search for the installation for the Havoc. You can just go and copy this one, git clone, then cd. It is very easy if you are using the Ubuntu or Debian version or the Kali version. So if you are using the Kali, you can just go for this one, and the rest of the process is very easy. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you that how you can do that, but I'm going to provide the link in my description, so you can just go and install the Havoc in your system. And once it will be done, you have to just start the server first of all, and at the same time we'll start the Havoc client also. Okay, once it will be done, you have to configure your if you just go for the new profile, you can just configure your this details, like give the name, your own local IP of your system, then port 4056, username spider, and the password will be password 1234. Okay, so I've already created this, so I'm not gonna do that again. So here we go. Let me first of all remove all the old ones. Okay, like this. That's it. So what you have to do next, you have to just start the listener, and at the first time you will not see all these things, so you need to add by yourself. So you can give the name anything you want, then you have to just click on this add, and you have to give the local IP of your system. Once it will be done, everything done, what you can do, just go for the payloads, click on the payload, go for the Windows shell code. Okay, we are not going to create the exe, we are creating the Windows shell code. And once you click on the generate, it will going to give you a file like this, daemon.x64.bin, and you have to change the file name over here. Once it will be done everything, what you have to do, you have to just run this file. Okay, python pycrypt.py, and now what it will going to do, Python, which is just a builder tool, it will going to build a tool with the help of C#, and the C# will going to use the XOR encryption, and it will going to compile with the help of mono and cs, and at the final you will going to get the svc.exe. Okay, now this is the file. Now what we are going to do now, we have to just copy this file on a Windows machine. For that, first of all, you need to make sure that you will start the Python server. Once it will be done, I'll simply copy this on my Windows machine. Here we go, and here you can see we just got a notification release file that Microsoft Defender will send to the Microsoft. So right now what I have done, I just disable the automatic sample submission. Okay, so if I just go over here, you can see I will say send selected. Okay, nothing happened. If you just go to the manage settings, here you can see everything is turned on except the automatic sample submission. And if I want to show you, so here you can see there is nothing in the exclusion, everything is turned on, defender is fully activated, windows is fully activated. And if you want, I can show you the manual scanning also. Here we go. Okay, my bad, no, we don't have to move, just a second. Let's copy this back to the desktop. So here you can see no current threats. Now, right now it's not detected with by Windows Defender, but in future, maybe when Microsoft will going to update the the cloud one, so at that time chances are there that it can be detected. But for now, it's completely working fine. Okay, so now if I just run this tool, okay, my bad. So let's do it again. And that's it. Now you can just close this terminal, and if we just come back to our Kali machine, let me close this, and here you can see that exe file successfully downloaded the daemon.x64.bin in our victim machine. And now if I just come on our Havoc, so here you can see we have an active connection 1 second ago, 2 seconds ago. Now what I can do, I can just take the screenshots. Okay, it will take a second. And on. So what you can do, you can just go on the view on the loot section, and here you can see the screenshot. Okay, same thing you can do the rest of the thing the way we do in the Havoc. We can list the directory, everything we can do. We can create the files, we can download the files, everything we can do. Okay, right now we are in the desktop directory, so we can also change the directory, cdc users, victors, and we can just go and check what are in the downloads. Okay, so now it will trying to change the directory. Here we go. And now if I want to see what are the files inside the downloads, so we can list everything and say we can create anything, we can delete anything. Okay, all this thing you can do. So this is how this works, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you learn something new, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because it will going to help me to motivate myself, and definitely in future I will bring something more better than this. So that's it for today guys. We'll meet in the another video with some more interesting topics.